Putang ina mo! Ah! Ikaw na naman, kalbo! You scared the hell out of me, man. Kalbo ka kasi! Yo, what is up, guys? Andito na ulit tayo sa Midnight Food Truck. So, andito tayo para maglaro ng panibagong horror game. Medyo masaya, medyo hindi, kasi nakakatakot daw. Ito. So, lalaruin na natin to. Euphoria Games present Night 1. Oh, they represent Night 1. That's amazing. Grabe. This is my first night here. My friend dragged me into this job. I hope there will be many customers so I can help him out. But what is this place anyways? Let's see. Oh, no, my mouse ain't working, guys. Di ko magana yung mouse. Yo, talk to your friend. Ay, grabe. Napunta ako sa taas. Hi there. I see you have arrived. Long trip, huh? Anyways, I prepared all of your tasks for tonight. I wrote them down on this paper. I'm gonna go now. See ya. Oh, one last thing. The local customer said there is a local maniac around here in town. Wait, you're leaving me. Wag mo akong iwan. Wag mo akong iwan. Wag mo sabihin magte-teleport ka. Oh my god! Nag-walk siya ng sideways. Balik na ako ng yama yan. Salamat, pwede tumakbo. I guess we do. I actually would have a fancier meal to enjoy this beautiful night, but I am in a rush unfortunately. Okay. Anyways, I would like to have a hot dog. I think it's fitting for my likings. Sorry guys, hindi ko masyado mabasa na maayos. Why is it called a hot dog, by the way? I got so many questions but it will never be answered. Unan yan, lagay na lang sa cash register. Holy, alright, $7. Okay, kailangan mo palang i-hold. Get the food from the fridge. Wait. Cook. Oh yeah, boy. Here you go. Thank you. Well, not the best, but it will do. Oh, sige. Doon na. Shoo. Have a good night, man. Enjoy your meal. Goodbye. Yeah, uy, grabe, ang bilis. Grabe, guys. Ilang padyak lang yun, oh. Oh my god. Na-meet ba natin si Flash, guys? Kala ko kung sino. Ay, hindi ako bibili. Wala akong Robux. Welcome. What can I get you? Hello. What's on the menu? Can't you read? Di mo ba mababasa, Hawkeye? You can see it on the truck. We sell hot dog, pizza slices, and hamburgers. Ugh. Can I get bilisan mo? Cold dog? What? Haha, I was just joking. Hindi nakakatawa yung joke mo. I actually want a hamburger. Stop joking around. Order something, man. Come on. Be matured. Ano ba yan? Mga jokes mo pambata. Okay, okay. These people nowadays can't take a joke. Kala mo lang kasi lahat biro sa'yo eh. Suntukin ko bangag mo eh. Then can you get me a slice of pizza? Ahit? 3.99. Let's go. Here you go, good sir. I said no. Thank you. And learn how to laugh. Ha 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 ha! Tatawa naman ako, sir. Di naman ako robot, sir. May emotion rin ako, sir, eh. Grabe na wala si sir! Looks like my friend was in a such rush. He forgot to clean the dirt on this. Oh, man. I'm gonna do him another favor and clean it. There we go. Linis na. Sana naman pagdating niya hindi siya balahura, no? Throw the trash. Wait, asan yung trash? Ah, take orders from the customers. Welcome. What would you like to eat? Hi, uh, please. Sabihin mo na kung anong gusto mo. Ayoko magsayang ng oras. I would like to have uh, ay nako. A pizza slice or a hamburger or a hot dog? Bili mo na lang yung tatlo. Okay, then get me what do you guys have? Ay nako kuya, okay ka lang ba? Oh my god, not again. You can see it on the truck. Oh, yes. Then a hamburger, please. Thank God. Alright, it will be $4.99. Pang ilang beses na yun eh. Di ba magic lumabas lang sa kamay ko? Thank you so much. You are so kind. Yeah. No problem. Enjoy your meal. Alright, let's throw the trash out. Wait, this. Ang layo naman. Pick up the phone. Yo, it's good. Yo, bro, how's it going? Everything's fine? You didn't blow up the whole truck, did you? Haha. Just kidding. Everything's going well. I've had worse jokes than that tonight. Alright, be strong. I don't know when we will come back. I oh I can't I'm rushing. Watch out for yourself. You too, especially there. Grabe, bigla-bigla ka lang lumalabas. I don't know what to scare you or anything like that, but when I was coming down here, I saw a man in red Oh yeah, that's me. Ako yun. He was looking at you for some time. He was if you see him coming at you, you better call the police. Cause he ain't looking too friendly to me. Thanks, but I'm good. Anyways, can I get a pizza slice? Yeah, for sure, buddy. Yep, not gonna get trolled. Di na ako matatroll. Boy! Nagbago na ako. Yun oh, nice one. Ando na. Thanks. And don't forget, watch out for your surroundings. Uh, okay, thanks. Turn to my car. Oh, lalabas pala. Takbo na ako. Grabe guys. Whew. Night 2. Let's go! Ah, another shift? It's much worse than I thought. But I don't want to ruin my friend's job, so I gotta help him. Why do I meet so many creeps? It feels like I draw them towards me. This place is creepy as heck. One more night. That's it. But this night feels different. I don't know why. Apple kasi nagsabi, nananakot pa eh. Yay! Pati ba naman to, ginugulat ako. What's up? Can I get something to you? Oh, eh. Hello, you were here yesterday as well, right? Yeah? Why? Then do you remember me? No, not le. No. And I'm sorry, but I don't know. Yeah, well, cause I wasn't here yesterday. Ha. Ano ba naman yan? Kamang to, hindi nakakatawa yung joke mo. There, why is there so many creeps around here? So what can I get you? Don't even know what I would eat. You say, uh, maybe a hamburger? Yes, that sounds good. Ano ba yan? Lagi ko lang napipindot yun. Here's your hamburger. Thanks. Yo. Baka yun yung ano, yun yung masamang tao. Kasi kulay pula yung damit niya eh. Yo, Mr. Beast! Oh my god, si Mr. Beast, guys! How are you doing? Hi, I would like to have some pizza right now. Okay, anything else? Nah, that's it. Good. The pizza will be $3.99. Isang slice lang, $3.99 guys. Grabe ang mahal. Cook the pizza. Punta na yung pizza mo, sir. Thank you. Ba't parang punong-puno siya ng dugo? No problem. Finally, someone normal. That was refreshing. Okay ka lang talaga, kuya? Alright, let's throw the trash out before the next customer arrives. Oh no. Hindi, yun. Samahan mo ako! Nasakot ako eh. Oh, these two dumpsters seems to be full. We gotta find another. Balik, balik. Wala na daw. Puno na. Ang layo naman. Hoy, tangin mo! Woo! Ayop na clip yun! Diyos ko, may tumatawag pa. Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, what's up, man? I know it's kind of boring to be there, but it means a lot. I will praise you soon. Don't worry. Oh, natatakot na ako dito. Nakadepende buhay ko dito, boy. It's okay, but it's really exhausting. Alright. Hope you don't be the creep maniac there. Actually, I think I saw him. Maybe he's following me. Don't think so. You must be imagining things. Ako, nagpapakita na siya, guys. Ako. Just a few more hours and you can go home. Anyways, keep it up. Right. Bye. Find the broom and clean the street. Dapat nga sila naglilinis, ba't ako? Pero ano magagawa ko? Eh, trabaho ko to eh. Siyempre, dun tayo sa ano eh, dito. Dahil sa mas malayo, siyempre. Lakas ko eh. Kakutakbo. Yay, salamat! Grabe. Hi. I'm here to tell you that there's guy in red and he's been watching you since yesterday. Oh no, man. What? I'm not kidding. I think you should call the police. Thanks, but I got this. What could he do? I warned you. Aside from that, could I get the hot dog, please? Ay! Sino sumigaw dun? Thank you. No problem. Finally, someone was normal. That was refreshing. Anong normal? Eh, sabi niya nga, pinapalo tayo ng isang lalaking creep eh. Normal ba yun?
Wait!
Tangina mo! Ah! Ikaw na naman, kalbo! You scared the hell out of me, man. Kalbo ka kasi! Ano ba yan? Eh. Sorry. Didn't want to. Eh. Puro hehehe. Alin kalbo. Next time, please. No, again. Eh. Oh, there will be definitely be a next time. Hehe. Pwede ba umalis ka na dito, ha? 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 Ikaw, umalis ka na! Tignan mo yung mukha mo. Yung ilong mo kulay purple na. Oh, nothing. Do you want me to order? Do you want to order something? One extra large pizza, please. Grabe ka, kuya. Hehe. Extra large, ha? Okay. Anything else? Oh, yes. I want something more. But that's secret. Wala akong paki sa secret mo. But hey, actually, because I asked for a large pizza, can you deliver it for? I live here a few steps away. Ikaw mag-deliver sa sarili mo. Hype ka. Nangugulat ka. I guess I can do that. Di pa ako natatakot. 14.99. Hindi pa nagbayad, gago. I'll pay after the delivery. Tara. Ah, tara, bring na natin sa sa creep. Para mas nakakatakot. Takting bahay yan. Sa taas daw, sa taas. Top floor eh. Wait lang. Urong ko lang. Saan na yun? Yun, dun. Yo, what's up? Aray! Grabe sinuntok niya ako. Lo, guys! You were pushed by the odd guy and you fell. Okay. Tatapusin natin yung isang ending pa nun para makukuha tayo ng badge. Okay. So, kakat ko na ba? Kakat ko ba? Sige, kakat ko para sa inyo. Mahal ko kayo eh. Sige. Andito na yung next ending. So, ito lang guys. No? Andito na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa susunod na ending. Tatawagan na natin yung police. Hintayin na lang natin, ano? Lang, para ma-block ko yung hangin. Gaganyan ko yung upuan ko. Oh, yes, I want something more, but that's a secret. Hey. But hey, actually, because I asked for a large pizza, can you deliver it for me? I'll live here a few steps away. But dun siya pumunta. Eh, nandun yung bahay niya. Wait lang. Rito na yan. Tawagan na natin yung police. Canon ending. You called the wolf police and you showed them where the odd person was hiding. Hey, wait. Okay. So, dito lang tatapos guys. Like and subscribe. Mag-recommend kayo dyan. Yun lang. Bye-bye.